Oh my goodness, you guys, it has been a while since I hopped on to our YouTube channel and uploaded a video. We have been taking advantage of the beautiful weather here. I don't know if it's officially summer. I'm not sure when the first day of summer is. It technically could still be spring, but it feels like summer here. So the girls and I have been taking advantage during the day of playing in our little pool in the backyard, reading books on the deck, going to the park, bike rides, fun, simple things like that. But I wanted to hop on here and share with you guys some fun and simple ways that you can add a little bit of extra joy to your summer this year. This video is in collaboration with Walmart, and I am really excited to share with you guys some ideas that I have for adding joy to your summer, but in a simple and affordable way. I don't know about you guys, but growing up, we didn't go on really big fancy trips in the summer. My parents didn't take us to like big fireworky type things. Probably mainly because where I'm from, that really wasn't a thing. We didn't like have a big carnival or a fairway. I'm not sure what that's called here. So whatever we did in the summer was pretty low key, really simple. But my mom in particular was just so gifted at making it special for us. I'm talking about things like going for bike rides, family movie night. We would maybe all head out for a walk in the trails, things like that. And then of course, my favorite way that she would always make anything, any season, any experience extra special was through food. So that's what I wanted to focus on is fun ways that you can make your summer great through different appliances and then how you can serve treats and stuff like that for your family this summer. So the first one that I want to talk about is getting an ice cream maker. We love making homemade ice cream. The girls love thinking of different flavors, different combinations that we can make. And this is one of those appliances that really stands the test of time because it never gets boring, it never gets old. You can always come up with something new and it lasts definitely throughout the summer. I mean, you can still be making homemade ice cream in the fall and the winter, but it is a hot item for us in the summer and the girls absolutely love it. Another really fun appliance that I thought that the girls would really get a kick out of would be a snow cone maker. So the girls have had snow cones a couple times. Again, it's not a super common thing that you would find where I'm from, but whenever they do run across them, they just think it's the best thing ever. So I thought investing in a snow cone maker for the summer would be such a hit in our house, and I'm sure it would be in your guys's too. And I think the girls would absolutely love it. So at least in our house, and I think most people's houses, making fun food is great, but serving it in an extra special way is kind of what just seals the whole thing and makes it just extra fun and makes it feel more like an experience instead of just like tossing some ice cream in a bowl and handing it to them. The girls really love when we take the time to set the table in a beautiful way, use pretty dishes, make things colorful, maybe put some flowers on the table, stuff like that. So along with an ice cream maker or a snow cone maker, I always like to think of pretty ways that I can bring in some new dishes or utensils, maybe napkins or a tablecloth, even dish towels, any way to kind of set the scene and make it feel a little bit extra special. And you would think we were in Disneyland. Like the girls just go nuts. They absolutely love it. So I encourage you, if that's not something that's in your weekly routine, to try it out and see how your family reacts because I'm sure that they would love it and it would make them feel extra special as well. So some of my picks for really beautiful tabletop products from Walmart are these beautiful teal glasses. I can picture serving like iced tea or lemonade in there with a little lemon wedge on top. And then also a big, beautiful glass jug for serving the lemonade, or you could even put water in with some fruit. It just feels a little bit fancier than, you know, your average plastic juice jug. And the girls always really love making the table feel a little bit fancier. Not like super crazy fancy, but just, you know, a little bit fancier than my average day and stuff that I do around the house. And then I also love their selection of colorful utensils, different like ice cream bowls or ramekins. They have so many colors and patterns that are great. And then a trend that's really popular for the summer is citrus. So I absolutely love their selection of like a lemon tablecloth or lemon dish towels. Anything that just really screams summer is such a fun way to add into your decor. And it doesn't have to be actually decor to make it feel more decorated. These are products that you would actually use. They're not just sitting on a shelf to look pretty. But I love investing in those that we can use for other summers to come, and they have such a great selection on Walmart. I'm going to leave links for all of the products that I mentioned in the description box below, so you guys can check that out. And I hope that this leaves you inspired, that you can make this summer full of joy and extra special in an affordable way through some homemade treats like homemade ice cream or snow cones, and then a beautifully set table. And it's definitely going to make your family and your friends feel extra loved this summer. We would love it if you followed along by hitting that subscribe button. You can also find us on Pinterest at The Beauty Revival. You can find us at our blog, thebeautyrevival.com, and on Instagram at My Beauty Revival. Thanks guys, have a great day.